Hello.
Hi there.
How's your day going?
It's going well, thanks.
What's the weather like today?
It's a bit cloudy.
Do you like this restaurant?
Yes, it's nice here.
Have you been to this city before?
No, it's my first time.
Can you recommend a good book?
Sure, To Kill a Mockingbird is great.
How do you usually get to work?
I take the bus.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like rock music.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love trying new recipes.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to France.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I enjoy action movies.
Are you a morning person?
Not really, I prefer evenings.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm going hiking with friends.
How's your family doing?
They're all well, thanks for asking.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Spanish.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I go to the gym regularly.
What's your favorite color?
I really like blue.
Have you ever tried sushi?
No, I haven't tried it yet.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
How do you relax after work?
I watch TV or read a book.
What's your favorite season?
I love the fall.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to a few.
How's your job going?
It's challenging but rewarding.
What's your favorite dessert?
I can't resist chocolate cake.
Do you like to travel by train?
Yes, it's quite comfortable.
What's your favorite book genre?
I enjoy mystery novels.
Have you watched any good TV shows lately?
Yes, I'm watching a great series.
Do you have any plans for the summer?
I'm going on a beach vacation.
How do you spend your evenings?
I usually relax at home.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian food.
Have you ever done any volunteer work?
Yes, I've volunteered at a local shelter.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing at parties.
What's your favorite board game?
I like playing chess.
How do you commute to school?
I walk to school.